The ongoing noise issues from the Donkin Mine's ventilation fans have sparked significant concern among residents, as reported by Cape Breton Post. The Cow Bay Environmental Coalition is demanding a resolution to these health and safety issues after years of disturbance. Author Stephen Drake suggests that flooding the mine could be a viable solution, echoing past successful strategies. For more insights on this pressing matter, check out the full article. For more in-depth coverage and insights, visit the Cape Breton Post website. Support local journalism and stay informed about the issues that matter to your community.